another review, and this time we'll be doing a review of a Beast Wars Transformers Tripredacus, but I will do it in 3 parts, each robot individually and finally Tripredacus himself. Okay, so there's C-Clamp. He's a lobster, but in my opinion he more looks like a langoustine, but you know, let's go. His big claw, he have huge claw, and he comes also with this weapon right here, which is the missile launcher for Tripredacus. C-Clamp is not very big. He's more long than big. He's cool. He have a kind of black, brown, translucent black or brown or kind of, and some blue here, right here, red on his eyes, blue here, and we can see his robot leg. And now I hate that with the beast mode, but you know, he's a Beast Wars, but he's still cool. Alright, so there he is in his lobster mode, and he have on his claw extra blade. I think it's extra blade, extra weapon. You can flip them out like that, and you have this. Alright, so there is his extra claw. We'll do the robot mode. Okay. It is very simple to transform. First thing I turn this around, turn the leg around, the feet. After separate that part, the head of the lobster, like that. Flip these pieces back. Same thing on the other side. Can stand. Yeah, you have that. The claw of the lobster become the robot arm. Flip them around. There we go. Same thing with the other. Alright, and now you have, come on, stand, don't fall. Okay, now we have this with his head, open his chest part and flip the head up, close it. Alright, there is C-Clamp in his robot mode. He's very cool in robot mode. We can see his spark thing. He's a Predacon. Yeah, Tripredacus, of course. He's a Predacon. And nope. Here his missile launcher can go back here of C-Clamp. Can attach it. Wait. There we go. Okay. Come on, don't fall. Don't fall. One thing I hate with it. Okay. So there is Beast Wars C-Clamp. So the next part of the review will be Ram Horn. So there we go, Beast Wars C-Clamp.